Ooh.
What happened there?
What's happening?
They're washing the car.
Look at that, all the soapy bubbles. Do you like that? Isn't that this car's getting washed? We need to get some brushes.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're doing it.
Well, here come the brushes. The brushes are going to clean all the soap off and all the dirt off. It's okay, it's just brushes. It's just brushes. Just going to brush the car clean. That's water. Oh, Daddy's car's getting all clean. Let's see.
All clean.
You happy? Do you like it? Is it fun? Yeah, you're not scared.
Okay, they're coming back. Yeah.
Do you want them to come back? No. One more time. They come back one more time and then they'll be all finished. Just the brushes, Kayla. That's what he was doing as well. Look at that. Oh.
Kayla, look, come down here. Kayla. Oh, the water.
Yeah. All finished. Want it to go again? No. Did you not like it? No. Did you cry? No, you didn't cry. Right, all finished, Kayla.